Locate the correct jamb and insert it between the tracks, top first, then the bottom. The notch in the bottom of the jamb fits onto the blade of the track. If the jacking screw isn't long enough to reach the framing, you'll need to insert composite shims. Next, insert the other jamb. Using a laser, adjust the jacking screw so that the jamb is plumb and square to the system. Finally, install number 10 fasteners. You may need to drill pilot holes for the fasteners. Double check that the jamb is plumb.